Hey guys, welcome to ProSmart, and in this video I'm going to review the Mi 10000 mAh power bank from Xiaomi. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the Mi power bank. This is the official power bank that I've bought from Amazon, and this is the 10000 mAh version. For example, the Realme 3 Pro has 4042 mAh battery and the Zenfone Max Pro M2 has 5000 mAh battery. So you can easily charge these two phones together using this power bank. You will also get this cord, a little small cord. I don't know why this small, but still, if you are using your phone and keeping that power bank far away from you, then use the original charger and insert this into one of the USB ports. So here are two USB ports you are getting, so you can charge two phones together. So just insert it like this. This is not the power button, this is an indicator button. So whenever you press this button, it will indicate remaining charge of the power bank. So yeah, this power bank is so small that it is almost just like any other smartphone. The battery backup of the power bank is also superb. You can charge two phones together, as I said earlier, and the charging speed is also fast. As you can see, the Realme 3 Pro has fast charging, but still you can charge the phone without fast charger, and here is an example of it. So this is the cord that I got with the power bank, and you can use this cord to charge your phone. And also, if you want to charge the phone with the original charging cable, you can also do that. Anyways, without the fast charger, this power bank charged my phone for 0 to 100% in 2 hours, and that's very impressive. I also used the Zenfone Max Pro M2, and this charger took around 2 hours to charge the entire battery of the phone. With one single charge, this charger can charge two phones together, and it is really impressive. Like if you have three phones with 3000 mAh battery, then it can charge three phones, not together but two at a time. I wish they have provided 3 ports. I think 3 ports are available in the 20000 mAh version of this power bank. So yeah, still I am satisfied with the power bank and the performance of it. Also, to charge the power bank itself, you are also getting this port. This one is the micro USB port. So this is not a USB type C, it's a micro USB port. Use this cord and insert it just like this. This is a normal micro USB charger, and I mentioned earlier that you are getting all the indicators to know what is the current charge of the power bank. So yeah, this power bank is really power efficient, and to charge the entire power bank again, it will take around 3 to 4 hours. So this is the must have tool if you are traveling outside. Also, you can charge your camera with it. If you are traveling and suddenly your camera's battery died, if your camera supports USB charging, then this power bank is a must-have thing. You can charge your camera with this. Also, if you're using a microphone like Zoom H1, I use this power bank frequently to charge my microphone while shooting videos, because the microphone eats a lot of battery. So I don't want to change the batteries. So instead of that, I use this power bank whenever I'm using my microphone. So yeah, this is a really cool looking power bank from Xiaomi, and the price is also very reasonable. It is only 800 rupees in India if you are purchasing it from Amazon or Flipkart. I will put the link in the description below. Do check it if you want to purchase the power bank. Now press on the power indicator, and as you can see, here are all the lights. 3 LED lights means that the charge of the power bank is below 75%. You will also get this manual guide. You can read all the things from here. This is the power indicator and power check buttons. As I said earlier, you can read the manual guide to know what are these LED lights and all. I will not go into these information, but you should definitely read the manual guide before using the power bank. Also, you will get the MI code. Scratch the code and enter this code into the MI power bank website. I will also put the link of the website in the description below. Scratch this code and then type in the code into the section, because if the code is incorrect, then this power bank is not official. So definitely scratch the code and type in the code into the website to check whether this power bank or the power bank you are receiving is an official authentic Mi power bank or not. You should check it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to www.mi.com/verify. So go to Xiaomi product authentication. Okay, so you will get the code over here beside the box. So you have to scratch it and you will get the code. Enter the code over there, as you can see on that website, and you're good to go. Here, as you can see, they are written, you are verifying your power bank. My power bank is an authentic product, and this is the first time this security code has been queried. So yeah, the power bank that I got from Amazon is authentic power bank, and it is not a fake one. So do check your power bank just like this. I hope this video helped you, and if yes, then smash the like button, and also write in the comment section what do you think about the Xiaomi 10000 mAh power bank. Till then, thank you so much for watching. This is ProSmart, and I will see you guys in my next video.